All right, you might have. Take taxiing out, taking off.
You see Carl got an F4?
No.
Yeah, he sent pictures.
Cool.
He just got the F4 Phantom in the mail.
I will eventually.
Yeah.
I plan on getting one maybe this summer. I gotta get rid of planes first. All right. See ya.
That guy that came and asked you. Okay. He came, took a few pictures, asked you how much it cost, and just zipped away.
Okay.
So, not that you have to worry about that or anything,
Yeah.
but you know, this seems like more like an IRS investigation than anything else.
Yeah, well, how much are they? Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, you know,
Anyway.
how much it cost? How much it
He
cost
wanted to show his girlfriend and how much.
yeah, right, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm taking off. I have no clue. I thought
Well, you don't have to be worried about that,
I thought it was weird too. Oh, there's no flaps.
see you guys.
All right.
You don't need flaps with that kind of wind. Actually, I don't think the F-15 needs flaps. It actually pushes the nose down.
Yeah, I have it trimmed so it'll pull out. Okay, fast, slow pass from the right.
Okay, I'm getting out of
Yeah, Kevin. Get out of the passenger.
I'll be low.
He's trying to get his trim. That's why it's weird, you know, I don't think it's
All right, see ya. That guy's already gone though?
A couple of pictures on my way.
Wow, okay. Yeah,
It's definitely not someone who's looking for his own.
that's
It's a picture for his girlfriend.
that's weird.
point rolls over the runway on your main. I told you got the wrong prop on you. Although that's full throttle.
What motor do you have? Will it stay going up?
Time remaining 2
Or it
minutes.
falls out?
I'll tell you in a second. I just want to bring it closer in.
Not getting sick, are you guys?
Right, I'm gonna go take off.
Take care. Okay, that's full throttle right now. So
That's not fair. You get a head start.
it's
It's got good power.
yeah, it's decent.
Looking good, Ray.
There you go.
No, I want that 2 feet off the ground.
Oh, I didn't want to scare the heli guy.
Oh, right, true. You got gyro in there?
Yeah,
Oh, you sound fine.
I have to because otherwise it does this annoying wiggle the whole time.
There's a heli in there.
Yep.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I tried for 4 months. Best I could do is tail point.
I'll say hi.
Okay.
Move it from point to point to point. I could not see
Beautiful.
I just decided
30 seconds.
before I go down this rabbit hole and start wasting money. I should just
Alright,
Okay.
I'm gonna come land since I don't really know how this battery's gonna
Okay.
do.
Go ahead. I was just gonna ask because I have time.
Alright, landing.
Landing right.
Time remaining 13 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
There you go.
2,
Not too bad.
1. Time
I
expired.
gotta come in pretty
Get off
quick
the
too.
runway.
There you go. You got it.
I think those tires needed more.
Gear down.
Okay, landing from the right.
Alright, I'm mostly off.
He's off the runway to the left.
Okay.
So you have
Landing
to the
flat.
runway.
Cool.
The tail wheel on that thing doesn't steer.
Yeah, the Jorge used to fly that at Baylands.
I know. I don't know what he was doing.
That would explain why he'd always have to go get it.
Now we know why. Beautiful.
Flaps up.
This thing's so much easier to fly now.
Looks beautiful with the lights on.
Yeah, I fly it at night too. It looks really good after sunset.
I gotta see it sometime.
It's a face-off. All right, there you go.